Hi, welcome to the Carbon Dioxide Removal Newsroom. Here's your weekly roundup of top CDR updates from past week. Living Carbon secured $500 million deal with Octopus Energy Generation to restore degraded land and remove CO2. Octopus Energy Generation is also investing nearly $13 million in Living Carbon's CDR business. BTG Pactual TIG raised $1.2 billion for reforestation and ecosystem restoration. The Naturalis Biodiversity Center pre-bought $59K in nature-based CDR credits via Treeconomy. World Bank launched a $120 million ecosystem restoration bond backed by Amazon CDR deal. Prithu raised $1.1 million to scale nature-based CDR platform. Captura and eSAF Plus International Group announced to build a French eSAF plant producing 75,000 tons per year using green hydrogen and CO2 from Captura's direct ocean capture. Climate Impact Partners and Green Earth signed a long-term agroforestry offtake with a pharmaceutical firm for 1.5 million tons CDR in Kenya. Climeworks partnered with NTT Data Group on net zero via carbon removal. NG partnered with Deep Sky to purchase up to 15,000 CDR credits from Deep Sky's DAC facilities. Boeing secured 20,000 tons of CDR via Supercritical. Carbon Direct and ARCA partnered to commercialize industrial mineralization CDR credits. Carbon to Sea Canada launched a collaborative ocean alkalinity enhancement initiatives in Halifax. Verde and Isometric partnered to scale certified biochar credits for infrastructure use. Carbonairs launched an RFP aimed at bringing offtake-backed financing into high-quality CDR projects. Project submission deadline, 22 May 2026. Frontier and Carbon Removal Canada launched a surficial mineralization hub in Quebec. Applications for pilot and research projects are now open, with pre-applications due by May 26, 2026. The Global South Carbon Dioxide Removal Coalition, together with Negative Emissions Platform, published a policy position paper urging EU to integrate high-integrity CDR credits. A new Senate of Canada report explored how OAE could help remove CO2 from the air and store it in the ocean over the long term. RMI report mapped CDR pathways for Massachusetts net zero. Carbon Market Watch warned 6 European countries over-rely on CDRs versus emissions cuts. That's all for now. Subscribe to the Carbon Removal Updates Substack newsletter for more details. Thank you.